Welcome back to the Business Warroom. On today's episode, I want to talk about how to know what your numbers really mean. We get a lot of DMs about profit margins, revenue, etc. So I decided to put this episode together. For those who truly know me, they know that one of my favorite sayings is numbers never lie. Now, let's talk about becoming financially intelligent. I want to begin with accounting principles because they provide a framework, but companies have some wiggle room when presenting their financial data. So you must first learn to read between the lines and understand the assumptions behind the numbers. Now, don't get fooled by high profits on paper. Cash flow, the actual movement of money in and out, is the essential for your business's health. Now, on the other hand, ratios tell the story behind the raw numbers. Learn key ratios like profitability, liquidity, and solvency to assess your company's financial health and performance. You also want to understand the differences between cash expenses that immediately impact your budget and non-cash expenses like depreciation, which spread the cost of an asset over time. Now, here's the big one that I hear so many people talk about: revenue. Revenue is the money coming in, but profit is what's left after you account for all your expenses. Understand the difference and how various factors influence both. Don't blindly accept financial reports at face value. Always ask questions, understand the underlying assumptions, and identify potential areas for improvement. And always look at your financial data from the perspective of someone who might invest in your company. This helps you understand what information is most important for decision-making going forward. Now, on to your balance sheet. Your balance sheet shows what a company owns, meaning assets, owes, meaning liabilities, and the difference, meaning owner's equity. Understanding how to manage these components is crucial for your financial stability. Learning to calculate your ROI, return on investment, can be more complex than it seems. Consider all factors affecting an investment, not just the initial cost and projected returns. And finally, your working capital, which refers to the difference between a company's current assets, easily convertible to cash, and current liabilities, your debts that need to be paid soon. Efficient management of working capital frees up cash flow and improves your business's operations. If you enjoyed this episode, share it with someone that it might help. And don't forget to like, leave a comment, share, and subscribe to the Business Warroom podcast today.